All right, we have a few more days to sign up for the September off-road box. Now, we're not gonna do this every single month, but we kind of wanted to give you an idea of what you're gonna get if you sign up for September's box. So a couple of the items that are gonna be in there are a couple items that we really, really like and we think that you're gonna think are cool. So the first thing is this magnetic work light. It actually is branded by Polaris. It's a 550 lumen light. It's magnetic, it also swivels so you can set it down, do whatever you need to do. It's got a light on the end, does a lot of cool functions. Also is USB and it'll charge from this also. It's got like 15-hour battery life on it and it's rechargeable. It's just a really cool light, garage light. Keep it in the razor if you ever need to work on something. It's just kind of cool to have. And also from one of our favorite vendors, SOG, we have a knife that we'll be putting in the box, and it's a fixed blade knife with a sheath, 3 different colors. So you're either gonna get black, orange, or green in your box, as well as some other small swag stuff. A t-shirt from one of our favorite vendors is gonna be in there. As always, free shipping coupon is gonna be in there for everybody that subscribes, and another vendor coupon that's a deep discount for that vendor, and some other little goodies. So sign up today. Box is gonna ship on the 10th of September.